This is probably my favorite and go-to moisturizer.
Probably moisturizer and skincare is one of the most important things in doing makeup, so if you want to have a good base, I really recommend this Glow Recipe Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's so good, especially for oily and combination skin. Like my skin, I just used it and it looks so nice.
I will be using this Lyricose Cushion Foundation, and I'm just going to start by patting it all over my face and getting an even application.
So this is kind of similar to in the Western beauty trends with the spatula, because you kind of just want a thin layer of the product on your face. Also, I forgot to do this in an earlier step, but I also love to apply a little lip balm as I am doing the rest of my makeup so that my lips can really be moisturized and prepped for lipstick later. This Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade 20. I'm just going to be applying this to the areas that I need it the most.
I will be using a fluffy brush to blend everything out, and you do want to make sure you blend everything evenly for the best coverage.
Next, I will be doing contour and highlight.
Starting with the nose, you want to draw 2 lines downwards and really keeping them pretty close to each other so that you can get that snatched effect. You should also be blending upwards towards your eyebrows for a more blended and natural finish. You need to also blend downwards and essentially creating 2 horizontal lines, one above the tip of your nose and one below the tip of your nose, so that you can really get a button nose effect and then blend in a circular motion. For face contour, just draw a line below your cheekbone and another one on your jawline, and doing this on both sides obviously. And then you're going to take a contour brush to fluff it all out and really blend it into your skin. And I'm using a cool tone here because cool tone contour is really what makes everything snatched in place.
Now we will be doing highlight.
For highlight, you really want to focus it on your nose bridge as well as the tip of your nose, as well as the point that is right below the tip of your eyebrows, and on your cheekbone area and the inner eye corners, and everything blended together really nicely just adds that shimmer to your look, to your face, and it just really brightens everything up. I'm going in with a smaller brush to blend out the more detailed areas like my nose and the inner eye corners. For the larger areas like my cheekbone area, I do prefer to use my fingers to blend.
Okay, so now highlight is all done, and I feel like my nose looks a little bit fake on this camera, but honestly it looks really good in pictures this way, especially for prom.
I did my makeup while getting ready for prom, but it's still perfect for any occasion.
Now I will be doing eyebrows. I'm going to be using this Newborn Brow pencil. It comes with this side with the pencil and then the brush on this side.
I'm going to start by filling in the front of my eyebrows specifically to create a straighter brow look, and this shape can make you look a lot less intimidating than, let's say, if you have a more arched shape. And a straighter eyebrow look is also really popular in doing makeup as it makes you look more youthful and energized and cute. For the rest of my eyebrows, I'm just going to clean it up by drawing or filling in the places that need it to make the ends a little bit sharper. But I like to keep my eyebrows pretty natural and just following the natural shape of my eyebrows. The finishing touch for the eyebrows is using the spoolie side to just clean everything up.
taking the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel.
Let's just ignore the part where I held the eyebrow gel upside down that you can't read it. But anyways, I'm just going to brush through my eyebrows and set everything in place so that it lasts throughout the day.
Now we'll be doing eyeshadow, and I'm using my favorite palette, the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced.
Here is a close-up of the palette and all the different shades. First, you're going to take the shade White Peach and use it as a base and swipe it all over the lids to prepare for the other colors to go on top. Next, take this light pinky color called Georgia and build it on top of the white peach color that you used. For this kind of darker sparkly pink called Just Peachy, you're going to focus it from the middle towards the outer eye corners and blend it out. This next shade is called Candied Peach, and it's a much more orangey, peachy type of shimmer shade, and you're really going to build it towards the very outer corner, as you can see here.
I'm going to be switching to the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Here is a close-up of this palette. You're going to be taking this mauvey purplish type of shade and applying it really to the middle to the outer eyelid, as this is going to blend very nicely with the previously applied pinky and orangey shades. Going back to the Too Faced palette, we're going to be taking this shimmer shade named Luscious to add that sparkle.
Applying that to the inner-ish eye corner.
Next, we'll be taking this very light shimmer shade
for the very inner eye corners. And also a little bit on the bottom here. Just gotta clean it up a little bit. Now onto eyeliner.
I'll be taking this Point Made 24-hour eyeliner.
People can do eyeliner differently, and usually just follow the natural shape of your eye here and going up, so not too angled, but just following the natural kind of angle of your eye like this and going around to where your eyebrow ends.
I like to use the tip of the eyeliner to draw from the tip of the wing downwards to the waterline, and most people draw eyeliner from the waterline out toward the wing, but I actually find my method to be easier since I'm taking advantage of the shape of the eyeliner pen being the same as the wing that I'm trying to draw, and it's clearly superior because Ariana Grande also draws her eyeliner this way.
I'll be curling with this Shiseido eyelash curler. It's really good. See, there is a huge difference to my eyes, one being curls and one without. So use your eyelash curler, guys. And for Asian eyes, this is such a great one. Now I will be using the Bare Minerals Lash Domination Mascara. I really like the shape of this wand. It's like twisty and it really gets every eyelash.
When applying mascara, I find that blinking makes it easier to get the product on my eyelashes more evenly, and I also find that wiggling the wand through the lashes to be helpful and combing through them to try to separate each lash.
This is a Style Nanda eye switch, and it's a white glitter. It's really pretty and just adds that delicate look.
For the glitter, I really like to put it right above the eyelid crease. For lipstick, I'm going to be first taking the Hermes Rouge lipstick in the shade 13. Here I'm going for a more Western style for the lips, and I really love this color as it's the perfect blend between the nude and peachy color, which also matches the eyeshadow.
It's such a nice, natural looking shade. It just looks so good.
To finish off the lips, I'm going to be taking the Dior Lip Maximizer Gloss, and this is one of my go-tos. It just makes the lips look so juicy and plump.
I forgot where I got it from, but it's a very, very nice color. I will be taking like this part, not the super pink part, here. Adds a little nice rosy touch to the face. And the very last thing for makeup that really makes a difference is highlighting your collarbones if you're wearing a lower neckline. So gorgeous. I absolutely love this shade. I think it's rose gold. And I will be using my finger. This really adds like a dainty finish. And trust me, this looks so good when the sun or the lighting just hits. It's just, I don't know, adds such a difference, or makes such a difference. Here is the completed makeup look. So I was using the ring light the whole time, but here it is under natural lighting. I think this really suits my skin tone. I also just wanted to show my makeup under this lighting, so it's a little bit different, not direct sunlight. And also my outfit is so cute, guys. I love it.